Naughties, this is Queen Naughty coming at you with another wig review. Yes, the unit that I'm wearing now her name is Adele from Vella Vella. Yes, she's full of curls, and this time I didn't trim her down. This is the way she came straight out of the package. And she's got a nice lip. She has a lot of body, and she's very, very light. Let's talk about the specs. Let's see. Now, she has one wire comb, maybe about 4 little teeth there. You barely feel it, and because I don't like the combs, but she is beautiful. You know, Naughties, this unit remind me of Kelly Rowland. Yes, give you the full curls, the body. You don't have to do anything with it. The curls are very bouncy, and it's very, very natural looking. Also, this unit reminds me of Holly Pete Robinson as well. Yes, check it out. I'm going to turn around and let you see her in the back. Yes. This is not a lace front. I just want to make that just let you know, let you be aware that she's not a lace front. So let's get into the specs. She does, however, she has a center part in the middle. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see the stock card, the model is wearing the part on the side. So let me just try her on the side. And I do have a cap on. So you can wear her on the side. I like it in the middle though, but she's beautiful, very light. And when I tell you, Naughties, this week, you don't know that you have her on. And I'm just gonna switch her, and you can see I have my neutral color stocking cap underneath. And yeah, so let's just talk about this part. The part is really, really nice. Only thing I can just say about, she's so beautiful, so soft. And all I could think about is Kelly Rowland in this for some reason. It's just the curls, it's so bouncy. The color, let's talk about the color. The color that I have her in is a F1B 30, and she's beautiful. She is so soft. When I tell you I didn't do anything to her, I didn't brush her out. I just took her straight out the pack, and I just placed her on my head. And this is what Adele is working with. Yes, check her out. I just love it. You don't have to do anything to it. Just put her on, and then just see, she's nice and soft. It's unbelievable how soft she is. I love curly units that look so natural. She doesn't have any flyaways or anything like that. It's just a calm unit. When I tell you, the only thing you have to do is just place her, just put her on and forget about her. Because I would suggest that you purchase a wig guard, a Velcro. They have a velour fabric, and it's nice and soft. I don't even want to take her off. She is so pretty. I love the color. The color, you can see the color 30 in there. It's really, really nice. I mean, this is to me like the best I've seen. I've reviewed so many units curly like this, in this curly style, I should say, but she is so beautiful. So, you know what time it is, Naughties. Yes, my earrings of today. Yes, I am wearing my cute little square gold earrings, rectangular shaped earrings. My rectangular shaped earrings with a circle at the top, and they go, and it really set this unit very well. So check her out, Adele, and the company name is Vella Vella. Just took her out the pack, and I decided to come on and do this review. So please leave me a comment below and let me know, Naughties, how you guys are holding out during this quarantine. This is Queen Naughty signing off on another wig review. Yes, don't forget to hit that button and leave me a comment below. If there's some units you would like to see me review, please let me know. And please press that bell. You'll know when Queen Naughty is uploading her next video. So don't forget to press that bell and leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you later, Naughties. Stay safe, stay inside. Bye-bye.